log on to bionetus.com. Hover over Veterinary Products. Hover over Veterinary Monitors. Then select BT-Link Veterinary Software from the menu. Once this page loads, click the Download button at the bottom of the product summary. This will create a pop-up window. Please fill out all necessary information and click Submit and Download at the bottom. Your download link will appear immediately. Click the link to begin downloading. Open the folder location of where the file has downloaded, such as Documents or Downloads. You will see that the file is currently zipped. Right-click on the file and choose Extract All. The computer will ask where you would like to extract the zip file. By default, it should choose the current folder that the zip file downloaded into. Now click Extract, and a new window should open up with the extracted folder. With this new window open, right-click on the setup.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the program. Once the program has been installed, right-click on the shortcut icon on your desktop and select Properties. Choose Compatibility and click the box to Run as Administrator. Apply the settings, and your program is ready to connect to your patient monitor.